Hey everybody, I just wanted to make this quick video today to show you guys my line spooling setup. This is one I made myself from materials I had laying around. However, it is fairly easy to build. If you have parts lying around, or just about everything here is available at your local hardware store. You just need a piece of wood of some sort. You want to make that into an L bracket shape. Drill a hole up here. Pop about a 6-inch bolt through there, tighten it down, make sure you use washers so the bolt doesn't pull through. You're going to take a spring here. This one's probably about 1/2 inch by 2 inches. You're going to slide it over the bolt. Make sure it goes over the top of the nut. And then next thing you want to do is take your fender washer, slide that over. Now, this isn't a standard fender washer. I had these lying around, but anything you find at the hardware store that's a similar size will work just fine. Once you get that on there, you want to put your spool of line on, followed by the other washer, and then finally your wing nut. Once you get that wing nut started, crank it right down to the spool. And now here's the thing, the reason we put this spring on here is to provide tension. You want your line to have some tension on it while you're spooling it onto your reel. So, the tighter you tighten down this wing nut, the more tension this spring is going to put against the reel. Help it spool properly onto the reel. You want to get it so there's a fair amount of tension on there, but not too tight. Now, when I go to spool my reel, I take the line, I feed it through the first guide on the rod, and then down to the reel. Now, one thing that is very important is you want the spool of line to be spooling in the same direction as your reel. That way you'll avoid tangles, bird's nests. It's especially important when you're using monofilament or fluorocarbon. Once you have your line on your reel, tied onto your reel, go ahead and clamp this on down. And you can go ahead and start spooling it in. Now, the great thing about this setup is it is very portable. You can throw this in the back of your truck and clamp it right onto your tailgate like I'm doing here. It's small, compact, and very inexpensive, and in my case, free. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like what you see, make sure you hit subscribe down below. As always, pack out what you pack in, keep our waterways clean for future generations. See you next time.